Hi everybody, welcome to the Health channel. Have you seen the vegetable that looks like curly hair? Today we are going to talk about broccoli. Please stay with me until the end of this video. Broccoli, with the scientific name Brassica duraceae, is a type of vegetable from the cabbage family. Broccoli is dark green in color with a strong stem, and at the top of its light green stems are clusters of small, dark green, umbrella-like flowers. The most common type of broccoli in the United States is the Italian green broccoli, known as Calabria, which is actually the name of the city in Italy called Calabria, where the vegetable was first grown. The edible parts of this vegetable include the small, dark green flowers at the top of the plant and the 6 to 8 inches of stem on which the small flowers are located. Broccoli is an upright plant with large broad leaves that can grow up to 3 feet tall. This plant is usually grown from seed and harvested 80 to 120 days after planting. If broccoli grows too much, it becomes hard and woody, as the sugars in the plant are converted to lignin. Lignin is a type of fiber that surrounds cellulose in plants in a layer and does not soften when cooked. Broccoli dates back to the Roman Empire. This vegetable, which was wild and native to the European coast, was brought to northern California in the United States in the early 1901s by Italian immigrants. Currently, 90% of the broccoli crop in the domestic market in this country is supplied by Californian producers. Although this vegetable was not common everywhere in the world, it's become widely known among the people in the 1970s. During this decade, the annual consumption of broccoli per person increased from half a pound to 41 pounds. Today, broccoli ranks 11th among the most consumed agricultural products in the US. Dark vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli activate proteins in high-risk areas of the arteries. A chemical called sulforaphane is found in vegetables that may protect against heart disease through eating vegetables. Sulforaphane also significantly reduces the number, size, and proliferation of cancerous tumors. When it comes to vitamin C, most people think of citrus fruits as a rich source of vitamin C. 1 cup of broccoli contains 81 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than you need in a whole day. Today, China, followed by India, has the largest production of broccoli in the world. Broccoli can be consumed raw, steamed, or boiled, which is why it can be used in various forms in the diet. It is interesting to know that steaming broccoli increases its cholesterol-lowering properties. Broccoli has countless properties. Here, we will limit ourselves to a few. Number 1. Benefits of broccoli for the kidneys. Broccoli helps detoxify the body and can remove uric acid and urea from the body, and is effective in treating acne, itching, gout, rheumatism, eczema, and scleroderma. It also prevents the formation of kidney stones by removing toxic substances from the body, which is why broccoli is very beneficial for the kidneys. Number 2. Helps the digestive system. Broccoli is very high in fiber, and for this reason, its properties include preventing constipation and helping to relieve stomach disorders. The presence of magnesium and other vitamins also reduces inflammation of various tissues and the stomach, which helps reduce stomach acid, facilitate digestion, and absorb nutrients. Number 3. Cholesterol reduction and heart health. Broccoli, especially if steamed, can help reduce cholesterol and eliminate bile. It also helps heart health due to the vitamins in broccoli, such as omega-3 and antioxidants, as well as their cholesterol-lowering properties, and by dilating blood vessels, it helps prevent heart attacks and improve blood circulation. Number 4. Broccoli is good for the eyes. Broccoli contains vitamin A, which along with beta-carotene and other vitamins increases eye health and prevents many diseases, especially cataracts. Number 5. Consuming broccoli for good skin. The antioxidant properties of broccoli prevent the destructive effects of free radicals on the body and cells, and as a result, it not only eliminates the destructive effect of ultraviolet rays, but also prevents the aging of skin cells and delays their destruction and damage. Number 6. Regulating blood pressure and anemia. In addition to the heart-healthy properties of broccoli, this nutritious vegetable helps treat anemia, which is due to the presence of iron and amino acids in broccoli, in addition to controlling blood cholesterol and helping to reduce bad cholesterol. Broccoli, due to the presence of chromium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, not only helps with blood sugar levels and the proper functioning of insulin in the body, but also ensures the health of all organs in the body with proper blood supply. Number 7. Improving immune system function. Vitamin C, beta-carotene, choline, copper, selenium, and other vitamins and antioxidants found in broccoli strengthen the immune system, making its consumption especially necessary for people with weak immune systems, such as the elderly and children. Number 8. Benefits of broccoli for the uterus. Consuming broccoli can help improve uterine function and is useful in treating uterine disease such as uterine inflammation and infections. Broccoli is low in calories and very low in fat, and consuming it during menstruation helps prevent weight gain. Broccoli also contains substances that can help balance female hormones and be useful in treating premenstrual and postmenstrual symptoms such as severe pain, depression, and shortness of breath. Important note: before consuming broccoli, it is necessary to soak it in a solution of water and salt for a while, so that the tiny insects that are specific to this plant are destroyed and removed from it. However, this is less common in greenhouse broccoli, but it is better to do this before consumption or boil it in water so that there are no insects in it. As you know, no food is completely harmless, so we should also mention the disadvantages of broccoli. Broccoli affects the thyroid, so if you have thyroid problems, especially hypothyroidism, avoid consuming too much broccoli. Broccoli causes gas in the stomach or increased intestinal irritability, and for some people, broccoli causes allergies that manifest as itchy skin. Broccoli contains vitamin K, and for this reason, people who have blood clotting problems or take blood thinning medications should control their consumption of broccoli. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. It is an honor to be with you. I hope you will like the points I am saying. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about broccoli, ask in the comment section. Your likes give us energy. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.